Hey everyone, today we're comparing two of the biggest names in accounting software, XERO and MYOB, to help you decide which one might be better for your business in 2025. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on my personal opinion and research from sites like XERO.com and MYOB.com and lessonnewton.com.au. Let's jump into pricing first. XERO plans start at $29 per month for starter, $59 for standard, and $76 for premium. MYOB's pricing is a bit more varied, light at $28 a month, Pro for $53, then higher tier account ride plans at $130 and $160 monthly. MYOB's top plans include unlimited payroll, whereas XERO caps payroll at 200 employees max. When it comes to features, both offer powerful accounting tools, but with some key differences. XERO shines with its sleek, intuitive interface and compatibility across Windows and Mac browsers. MYOB's desktop MYOB's desktop app is Windows only, and some advanced features like inventory tracking may need extra help to set up. Payroll is another major point. XERO offers payroll for one or two employees on the lower tiers, with increasing costs for more staff and no unlimited option. MYOB includes unlimited payroll in its higher plans, making it better for larger teams. Bank connections: XERO allows unlimited connections across all plans, while MYOB's light plans limits you to two. For reporting and invoicing, XERO is a winner, especially for power users. It supports multiple reports running at once with full customization. MYOB limits reporting and offers limited invoicing on all plans, whereas XERO's starter plan caps invoices at $20 per month. Inventory management is better with XERO, especially considering its integrations and add-ons. MYOB limits inventory items on lower plans but offers unlimited items and location on higher tiers. Mobile apps are available for both, but XERO's app delivers a smoother user experience and offers employee features like timesheets and leave requests within the app. MYOB uses a separate YourPay website for that, and for the other perks, XERO supports continuous data rollover without needing to close the financial year, unlike MYOB's account-write desktop version. And for multi-currency accounting, both offer in premium plans, but XERO has a longer track record here. Support-wise, MYOB offers phone support weekdays, while XERO relies on online forums and resources with no phone line. For the final verdict, both XERO and MYOB are strong contenders for ease of use, modern features, and better online support. XERO leads. But if you need unlimited payroll and phone support, especially for larger teams, MYOB might be your choice. It really depends on your business size and priorities. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like and subscribe for more honest reviews.